Hello everyone, I am your friend Vedant and welcome to my channel Vedgyan. Topic of this video may sound familiar to some of you, but trust me, some things you might not be knowing about MS Excel. So watch the full video, it will definitely help you no matter if you are a student or professional or just an enthu learner. So our today's topic is Microsoft Excel. This is the first video of the series. I will upload more videos for detailed understanding on the MS Excel, where we will see some more things like shortcut tricks and how to use Excel in our day-to-day activities, how to use it from the management perspective and for the organizational tasks. In this video, we will start with the introduction part, what is Excel and the history of Excel that we will cover. Let's first check what is Excel quickly. It will be very basic. As we know, it is a Microsoft Excel that is produced by Microsoft. This software is a part of Microsoft Office suite and it is compatible with the other application of the suites. So those who don't know anything about it, I will show you how to open Excel. So let's first create one file. After you install Microsoft Office in your machine, you just need to right click and from new here you can see that Microsoft Excel option is there. So just click on it, it will create one new file. Microsoft Excel has the basic feature of all spreadsheets using a grid of cells arranged in a numbered row, which here you can see that these rows are numbered and later named columns to organize data manipulations like arithmetic operations. It has functions to answer statistical, engineering and financial needs. In addition, it can present data as line graphs, histograms and charts, and also with 3D display graphs. It also has a programming aspect, Visual Basic for Applications, or you can say VBA, which allows the user to employ a wide variety of numerical methods. For example, solving different equations of mathematical physics and then reporting the results back to spreadsheet. Now, let's move to the next part, that is history. Microsoft originally marketed a spreadsheet program called Multiplan in 1982, which was very popular on CPM systems but not on MS-DOS system. It lost its popularity to Lotus 123. Yes friends, Lotus 123 was giving tough competition at that time, and because of this competition, it prompted development of new spreadsheet called Excel, which started with the intention to do everything that Lotus 123 does and do it in a very better way. Microsoft want to show that the software they have developed for spreadsheet is more Excel than the Lotus 123, hence they named it as Excel. And another interesting fact is that the first version of Excel 1.0 was released for Mac version in 1985 and not for the Windows. First Windows version was released in the end of 1987. Lotus was slow to bring 123 to Windows, and by 1988 Excel had started to outsell Lotus 123 and help Microsoft achieve the position of leading PC software developer. This accomplishment solidified Microsoft as a valid competitor and showed its future of developing graphical software. Microsoft pushed its advantage with regular new releases. They released new version every 2 or 3 years. This helped Excel to get more popularity. So it's very basic friends, that any software you keep providing new features to user, they will love it, they will keep using it, they will stick to your product. So with these friends, we are done for today's session and I'm pretty sure that you have learned some new things. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and like the video. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next session.